Comper Smarkin is a multifunctional smart facial machine. It integrates the technology of radio frequency, electrical muscle stimulation, LED, and microvibrational therapy. Smarkin enhances the face and reduces wrinkles, acne, fat, and other skin defects in an intelligent way. With medical-grade silicone rubber wrapped around the body, it is handy and easy to clean. Due to its large treatment surface, you will feel its efficient operation from each circling massage. For a better user interface, Smarkin works with the Comper Health app in real time. Both RF and EMS can be switched to 3 different levels. The LED therapy, ranging from a wavelength of 630 nanometers to 850 nanometers, has many beneficial effects on skin conditions. The mass can maximize the beneficial effects of the cream. Open the Comper Health app and check your skin type. This will not only tell you about your skin type, but also help you create a personalized skincare routine. There are a series of exciting, customizable optional modes available in the app. Default mode provides you with a general skincare plan. Morning mode helps you set a 5-minute time-saving skincare solution. The preset modes for specific skincare purposes include anti-wrinkle and acne, face firming, lifting, illuminating and nourishing. Under the Senior Personalized Care, you will see 4 phases that can be customized. You can select for a simple 15 minutes of mask and LED to amplify the benefits of sheet mask. That also can be a complicated setting for a comprehensive skincare routine. Following the steps as described in the high-quality video, you will get the best guidance and a smooth, hassle-free experience as the video clearly guides you to the correct face areas and gestures as you focus on your face throughout the operation. As the sole smart facial machine in the world, we believe that the Comper Smarkin will bring you the real intellectual skincare experience to manage and improve your skin health in an efficient and seamless way.
most effective workout for your body and soul is finally here. Hydro's live outdoor reality rowing brings you balance and peace while generating 86% muscle engagement, burning 400 calories in a 20-minute workout. Led by athletes, including those training for the U.S. national rowing team, the Hydro delivers a live on-river outdoor rowing experience at home. Now more than ever, people's overscheduled, stressful lives leave little time for meaningful exercise and the soul-enriching opportunity to spend time outdoors. Stay motivated and engaged with world-class instructors and a community that keeps you connected and inspired. You'll find more success with Crew than anything you've tried before. Crew is about more than a new way to exercise. It's a connection with people and nature that motivates you, keeps you coming back for more. Designed by Juliana Miller with a focus on performance and high-quality materials, the Hydro delivers a full-body ergonomic experience in a stunning, streamlined package.
We wanted a user to love it like a piece of furniture. There's this flowing line between the live classes that you're watching and the rower, and just trying to kind of put the rower in their own little bubble, in their own little space, which is how they all described it when they were actually on the water.
The Hydro's patented design features an electric eddy current brake. This brake provides resistance using electromagnetic force, making the machine almost silent while in use. The resistance of the brake is adjusted 100 times per second, meaning that the Hydro can be anything you want it to be. At the touch of the screen, the feel can change from a one-person boat to an 8-person boat, even to a weight stack. The comfortable seat accommodates bodies up to 300 pounds. The brilliant 22-inch touchscreen is sweat and water resistant and has high-quality forward-facing speakers so you can see the beautiful riverscapes and hear the matching music. Choose the workout that's right for you. Want a heart-pumping challenge or a scenic journey at your own pace? Or to join the instructor live on the river? They're all there at your fingertips.
I've been an athlete for many years. I'm now a strength and conditioning coach, and I've now found that rowing is such a satisfying movement. It's a total body workout. It helps to boost metabolism. I can feel it in my legs and in my core. One of the other things I love about the Hydro is it's commercial grade. It's got a nice feel to it. And on the other side of the screen, you've got somebody there to motivate you, to keep you on your plan and keep you on your program.
Learn to row in less than 10 minutes. Combine strength and cardio. Reduce stress. Zero impact. Fun workouts with engaging instructors. Burn up to 1,250 calories per hour. Great for ages 10 to 100.
Introducing B. B is pioneering a whole new category of toothbrush that has the performance of an electric toothbrush, combined with all of the benefits of a manual toothbrush. Imagine never having to deal with charging, messy cables, adapters, and batteries, but still get that diamond clean that you and your dentist have grown to love. Today, people are carrying around more electronic devices than ever before in history, and unfortunately, these devices come with enormous baggage. Did you know that 15 billion batteries are sold every year, and that 87% end up in landfills, 12% get incinerated, and only 1% of them actually get recycled? A good majority of these batteries go into items for personal care, and 7.3 billion people generate a lot of waste. So we started to ask ourselves, is there another way? 2.5 years later, we can finally say there is. Our patented B-Clean technology makes it possible to transform the energy from a simple twist into over 80,000 tartar-fighting brushstrokes. No batteries, cables, adapters, or chargers are required. If you love to travel, enjoy the great outdoors, always on the go for business, or want to make your home more eco-friendly, look no further. This toothbrush was made just for you. B empowers you to enjoy the best dental hygiene no matter where you are in the world, regardless of grid. Our mission is to deliver a toothbrush equivalent or better than your electric toothbrush and free you from needing electricity, batteries, cables, or adapters when it comes to your dental routine. Plus, every B comes with a snap-on travel case to keep your brush safe and clean. It also comes with a 1-year supply of 100% biodegradable refills. It has taken the past 2.5 years and dozens of prototypes along the way to develop our patented B-Clean technology. We've pushed the boundaries to bring you a breakthrough in powered sustainable brushing, and now we need your help to make this technology a reality. This is your chance to go beyond electric and pledge for an opportunity to be among the first to experience.